Ay, ito na, dito lobster ka, nakita na lang.
Okay, lobster for Howie.
Yeah.
How many pieces? 2?
How many lobster?
Ilan ba kayo kakain, ma'am?
Yan lang, basta.
Oh, just one for him.
Mas pakabalo naman kayo. Dalawang piraso na po.
Magkano ba yun?
Ayun ba, may papaprice tayo, sir, tapos babawasan natin.
Ang ito sir, yung malalaki sir, 5.8 sir.
5.8 pa.
Isang piraso lang ba? O...
Dalawa kasi, marami sila para dalawang serving.
Hindi kami pare-pareho ng gusto.
magkakaiba?
Hindi, isa lang pero
isa lang.
iba-iba.
Okay ma'am, sige ma'am, sige. Isa lang po ma'am, no?
Alimangan niyo po, anong gusto mo? Maaligay,
May
malamang.
bakla, may babae.
Do you want more? Do you want more that or just that?
Yeah, just to ask you quick.
Okay.
They have three genders in the crop, you know. One's like three genders? Yeah.
They have,
There's male, female, and gay. There's a gay crop. There's a gay. It's
yeah.
fatty. The gay crop is fatter than the male
Okay.
female.
So,
Ano, halo na lang natin, ma'am. May babae kayo, tsaka maano, bakla, malamang.
King, kanya kinta.
But,
Ito, ma'am, 6 pieces po.
May mga price sir, kaya hindi kayo mahal. Lahat ng price na yan, per kilo po yan.
Halo na yan,
Pag
ba?
bakla sir, 150 pag babae, 1,650 na lang kayo.
Tayo yung plastic na yun. O, panglahatan na.
Opo. Saan ka nag-school?
now that's